Hi there, kiddos. Welcome to another interesting story of M Cube's Tuition Tiny Tales. Today, we're all gonna see an interesting story called A Monkey Manners Tale. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, in the tropical forest, which was a very beautiful place full of green plants, the air and the environment there sparkled. There lived a hare with a little long ear called Aisha. She was a very hard-working and joyful hare who used to grow her own patch of vegetables. She has this vegetable patch of her own which she cares for tenderly. She wants to grow the tastiest vegetables in the whole forest. When lunchtime comes, she pulls out a fresh carrot and feasts on it, enjoying its wonderful taste. One night, everything changed. As Aisha the hare was in bed, fast asleep, that night something very strange happened. Next day, she saw someone threw candy wrapper right into her vegetable patch. This was very bad manner. Aisha the hare was even more astonished when she saw that there was 100 more vapors lying all around her vegetable patch. She, after a moment thought, decided to follow the garbage trail. Certainly, it would lead her straight to the rascal who did it. The trail led her to a big tree with a huge pile of wrappers towering below it. The hare was very astonished. Hey, who is throwing around garbage so shamelessly? Aisha exclaimed in disappointment. The hare looked up and saw the answer just above her head. She saw that on a branch of big tree sat an ill-mannered monkey. It was he who did it. The monkey was gobbling candy and throwing the wrappers on the ground without a care. The monkey was so careless. Hey you! What are you littering in our forest? Stop it right away! Cried Aisha indignantly at the monkey. Having been discovered, the monkey took in fright, and the monkey turned tail and ran as fast as he could. He forgot all about his candies and started running as fast as he could. The monkey jumped so skillfully among the trees the hare could not catch him up. But the monkey was quite frightened and he lost control after a while and fell head over heels down towards the ground. The monkey fell down until he got caught in a tangle of vines and branches. The monkey was very much in trouble. He tried to free himself, but there was no one around to give him a hand. The monkey was struggling so hard and he lost all the hope. When suddenly Aisha the hare appeared from behind the trees and looked at the monkey's situation. She approached and asked the monkey, Hey monkey, why do you have such bad manners? Why do you think you can throw garbage all around this way? The hare asked. The monkey had nothing to say, so he simply looked away, ashamed. However, she helped the monkey in getting down to the ground and asked him politely, Now, will you be so kind as to clean up after yourself? Because this is a very good manner. Oh, how embarrassed the monkey felt. He didn't utter a word and got down to work. He worked and worked and worked so hard until he cleaned up everything. even the last piece, until the forest looked as the same as before. And now Aisha the hare could again enjoy her carrots in neat vegetable patch alongside a new well-mannered monkey. So kiddos, the moral of the story is be kind to those who are unkind. They need it most. Always do good for others, kiddos. It will always come back in an unexpected way and in a good way. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you all in next another video with some interesting tales. Bye bye.